Severe thunderstorm warning again. Severe thunderstorm warning. Alright.
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Greene County and west central Iowa,
giving you vibes
northwestern
of
Cass County and
15th
southwestern
and 5th,
Iowa,
16th.
western Guthrie County and west
This is
central
giving you
Iowa,
vibes
Audubon
of
County and west
December
central
15th
Iowa,
and
southern Carroll
March 5th.
County and west central Iowa.
Well, guess
until
what? It's one of
9:45
those
p.m.
days.
At 9:20
One of those days.
severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles north of Audubon to near Walnut, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Audubon around 9:25 p.m. Coon Rapids around 9:40 p.m. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 50 and 69. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for west central Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Audubon, Carroll, Greene, and Guthrie.